Namaste, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my April's Euphorbia box, which is here. So let's just open and see what I got this time in this box. Alright, so this is how the box looks like, white in color with their logo on it in red. Now let's just open and see the products I got inside. Oh, this is very neat. This time it's very neat. You can see there is like a bag inside, so yeah, it's very neat this time. So let's just open and see. It's like a pouch, you know, you can keep your stuff. It's like a very travel friendly. I think I can keep my shoes in it when traveling, while traveling. Anyways, so I'm just gonna open and see what products I got this time. It's very neat this time because inside this pouch I got another pouch, which is this cute little bag in tan and black color, and I love the color tan. It's very pretty tan. And let's just open and see what products I got this time. All right, so first I'm gonna take out the info cards which are here. Okay, so this is April's Euphorbia box, and they also given us they're also wishing very happy Women's Day, though Women's Day was in March, but they have wished it in the April's box, and all the products are written here and their prices. So the very first thing I can see is it's by Good Soap. It's Glow Elixir, and this is gentle hydration from Daily Harmony with balancing oils, and the amount of product I'm getting here is 10 ml of product, and that is 0.33 O's. Let's just see what it is. It's just like a serum, elixir serum. Ooh, it looks fancy. It has a glass bottle, which is really nice. Looks expensive. And let me just try it out a little bit on my... It is a little milky, you know. It's not clear. It's kind of like milky. I don't know whether it should be milky or not. I'll just Google it. So I'm just gonna try this little bit on the back of my hand. And it smells really nice, all the essential oils, and it's quite thick. It's very thick. I won't be applying this thick elixir on my face on summers because my skin is like combination and it gets really oily in summer especially. So I might try, but I might use this in summer. Maybe I'll be using it in winters. Anyways, let's see what it is exactly. Okay, it's Good Soap Glow Elixir. Yeah, that's it. Nothing else is written on it. The ingredients are written on it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And this one retails for 12.99 Indian rupees. So काफ़ी थिक प्रोडक्ट है ये, एंड इसी वजह से अब मुझे लग रहा है ये बहुत अच्छा सर्दियों के लिए प्रोडक्ट होगा बिकॉज इट्स क्वाइट थिक एंड इट्स रियली हाइड्रेटिंग. सो मैं इसे सर्दियों में ही यूज़ करूँगी. आई एम नॉट गोना यूज़ इट इन समर्स. और काफ़ी एक्सपेंसिव भी है, विच आई गॉट इन दिस यूफोर्बिया बॉक्स. एनीवेज, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट. ऑलराइट, सो द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट आई सी आर दीज earrings. Oh my god, these looks beautiful, and these are Meenakari-Tassels earring, and let me just open and see. So these are the earrings, really pretty. I think they will look really nice with a kurti or a very like a boho kind of top. So they are so pretty, and these retails for 250 Indian rupees. And yeah, I really like them. Let me just wear it and show you how they look on me. Alright, so this is how they are looking on me. They're really pretty. I really like the color, and they are so pretty and gorgeous. Loved these earrings. And these are a pair of Meenakari-Tassels earrings, and they are worth rupees 250. Alright, let's just move to other product. Alright, so the next product I see is a lip color, and this is by 7 C's. This is long lasting HD lip gloss. It kind of reminds me of I don't know, Maybelline used to have these kind of lip colors, and this is like a gloss, and even Blue Heaven have these kind of glosses. So yeah, it kind of reminds me of that. And this one retails for 399 Indian rupees. Yeah, and I already have like really dark glosses these days in my collection right now, and this is another one with a very similar shade. Yeah, it's pretty glossy. I wear glossy lips very rarely. They look okay on me occasionally, but I'm not a gloss lip lover. I am much more of a matte lip lover. So this is how the shade looks like. Super glossy. All right, I'm just left with one last product, which is this one, and this is by Aaranyam, and this is nail and cuticle health cream. So this is like a cuticle cream, and yeah, it smells really nice. Yeah, and this Aaranyam nail and cuticle health cream retails for 300 Indian rupees. Alright, so those were all the things I got in my Euphorbia April box. I got 4 of the products, and the total cost of this edition is 2,248 rupees, which is a lot more than what you pay for the box. And I am really excited for the earrings. I really loved the earrings, and I am also very excited about the Elixir I got, but definitely I'll be using that in winters, not in summers, because it's already very sweaty weather, so I don't want to make my skin more oily. Anyways, so that was it for this time's Euphorbia box. I'm highly impressed with the packaging this time, because I got that pouch as well, that big brown pouch, which was very useful. I can carry my shoes in that while traveling, and I also got this pouch this time, which is again very useful. You can keep your makeup, your toiletry and stuff while traveling. So I'm really happy with this time's box, plus I got 4 really good products. So that was it for the April's Euphorbia box, and if you're new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay beautiful and stay healthy.